In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Timesheet in QuickBooks Online 2026. Step by step. We'll start by turning on time tracking so QuickBooks knows to collect hours. Click the gear icon for settings, open account and settings, then advanced and find time tracking. Switch track time to on. Right here, choose whether your team will use a weekly timesheet or single time entries. Weekly is great for summarizing a week at once. Single time activity works well when you log work as it happens. Decide if hours should be billable to customers or projects, then save your changes to lock in these preferences. Next, make sure the people who will track time are set up. For employees, go to Payroll, then Employees, and confirm each profile includes the name, hourly pay rate, and payroll method. For contractors, open Expenses, then Vendors, and add or review their vendor profile. Assign roles carefully so employee hours flow to payroll and contractor hours can be billed to clients when needed. With that in place, you can enter time. To record a week at once, click plus new and choose weekly timesheet. Select the employee or vendor, set the week ending date, and if the work is billable, assign the related customer or project. Enter the hours for each day. Mark entries as billable when appropriate and save or submit. If you prefer logging a single block of time, choose plus new single time activity. Pick the employee or vendor. Enter the date, customer or project, the service performed, the hours, and the billable status, then save. Before you run payroll or create invoices, review time. Go to workers, then employees, and open time activities. Scan totals by person, check billable versus non-billable hours, and verify the customer or project on each entry. If your workflow requires it, make sure timesheets are approved. When it's payday, head to Payroll and select Run Payroll. QuickBooks pulls in approved hours automatically, calculates regular time, overtime, and pay at the employee's hourly rate. Review the details and submit payroll with confidence. For billable work, create the invoice by clicking plus new invoice. Choose the customer and add the employee or vendor hours. QuickBooks calculates the amount due using the billable rate you've set, so you can send a clean, accurate invoice. Finally, for oversight and analysis, open reports and runtime activities by employee or by customer. Use these to verify payroll, track job costs, and support client invoicing.